pards! Welcome to my channel! And for today's video, magbibigay ulit ako ng tips tungkol sa paglago ng ating mga eyelash. This is the natural remedies to grow longer eyelashes. Gamit lamang ang vaseline, petroleum jelly. Okay? Sana po ay magustuhan nyo at sisimulan ko na to. Number 1, remove any makeup. This will help the moisturizing qualities of the Vaseline do its job. Number 2, mix the Vaseline. Using your clean finger, this will warm it up and make it easier to apply. Then dip your wand in the Vaseline petroleum gel. Number 3, apply to your upper and lower lashes. Coat both sides of your lashes thoroughly, making sure not to get any in your eyes. You can smudge some of the Vaseline back over your eyelid for smoother skin.
Remember, be careful not to put on too much or will end up all over your face and cheeks. If you have sensitive skin, this may cause a reaction. So be sure to test it on the back of your hand before doing this.
Okay guys, napanood nyo po ba? Pwede nyo po siyang gawin every night bago kayo matulog. Then, balawan nyo siya pagkagising nyo. Gawin nyo po siya every night. Then, yung result niya ay malalaman mo as little as 3 days. Yun lang po at sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you!